All right, guys, today we're going to do a tour of what the inside of the house looks like. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. A tour of my military housing. It's actually a whole house. And my husband is an airman, U.S. Air Force. We're currently stationed at Joint Base Langley in Virginia. So I just wanted to give a little bit of inside tour of what the homes look like. So come along. I am gonna start with the kitchen. So let me turn this around so you guys can get a good view. All right. This is the kitchen. Hopefully you're seeing it from a better angle. Let me scoot back so you can see it. We're starting with the kitchen. Mostly, the homes are mostly very basic. There's no like stainless steel, you know. We'll all love a stainless steel kitchen. I know I would. But if you look over there, that is, yeah, right there. That's the fridge, very basic. Same thing with the oven, microwave. Even the countertop or the coloring of the cabinets, it's very basic. Very, very basic. But I like it. I mean, it's basic, but I like it. It's comfortable. There's a lot of space. This door right here is my pantry, food pantry. And this kitchen is attached to, I'm going to show you guys the backyard later. That is the backyard over there. I'll get to that. This is the dining room section. It's actually quite big. It looks a bit empty now because we just moved like a week ago and I'm still trying to like unpack and wait on my new furniture and stuff. So yeah, that is the dining area. And let me get over here so you guys can see, like, I don't know, I want to call it like the bar kind of counter. It's really, really tall. My kids are not even able to reach it. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Maybe put one or two bar stool over there, but I am not sure. And then there is a half bathroom. This is the half bathroom down here. It's sizable, very sizable. And I love the mirrors in here, guys. Love it. I love the mirrors. There's like double mirror. There's like this big one right here and then that one on this end. So towel rack. But this is the half bathroom down here. I really think it's a bit awkward that you walk right out of the half bathroom and to the kitchen if you look behind me. So I don't know. This is the laundry room. It has a lot of space if you ask me. This is the laundry room. The door that I'm standing next to is a garage door. I'm just trying to stand so and see if you can get a better angle from there. But this is the laundry room. Yes, I do have a lot of load to wash. And this is like, I don't know, I guess like a linen closet of some sort. This right here. But I'm using it for like towels, other stuff. This is the garage door. This is the garage. I don't know if I should open the garage for you guys to see, but this is what it looks like. I just turn on my lights. I usually stack up on water. I learned everybody's going crazy again for the water and the toilet paper. What do you know? And excuse the mess, but I told you guys we just moved. So I have a whole bunch of stuff here that needs to be unloaded or unpacked. I just put them where I can find them as quickly as I can. And these are empty boxes from the one that I've already worked on. So this back here is like a, I guess you can say, extra shelf, put some things away. I like it. The space is, to be frank, I like it. And I forgot to tell you guys, these are the newer units, and this is the off-base housing because they have on base, which is like the main base, you know, where you go through the gate with IDs and everything before you get to the actual base. That is on base housing. The off base, we're like maybe 10-15 minutes away from the base. So yeah, this is off base housing. The garage, it's pretty sizable. Now I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. See, that is the half bathroom, laundry room. There's a door over there that heads to the garage. And then this is the kitchen. I'm gonna turn around, and this is the sitting room. Like I said, our furniture is still on the way. We're still using our old couch. But this sitting room is actually quite sizable. Yeah, so, and I like the connection. Look, this is like a doorway. I'm just, you know, scoot back and let you guys see that doorway right there. It leads right into the dining room. So we're going to head upstairs. We are going to head on upstairs. Before we go upstairs, I just wanted to show you guys that is a high ceiling. So I love like that little, I don't know, it's like a, I don't know, open top sort of. I just put my my flower pot up there because it looks really nice. And then the staircase is all the way down here. But when I get up there, I'm going to show you guys another view where this is actually like a really high ceiling. I just wanted to give you guys this angle right here. All right, let's head on upstairs. This closet right here, this is like the doorway closet, you know, like if you're running out and you want to grab your slippers or grab and go jacket or coat. I usually keep our winter coats and, you know, sweatshirts like the one we wear on a regular down here alongside with my husband's uniform. So that is the steps. You guys see how steep that stairs is? That is why we have this right here barricaded for safety because we have a 18-month-old toddler. And then there's another one up there because, yeah, you know how kids are. They get a bit sticky-handed sometimes. So let's go upstairs and get into the main criteria of the home, the rooms. The rooms. Okay, so let's start with our office. It looks a mess right now, but this is the room we're gonna use for the office. It's not yet set up, but it has like a closet in there where we keep all of our, you know, like office items, boxes, printer, extra camera, YouTube equipment. So, like I said, excuse the mess because it is not really set up or packed yet. Then next to the office is my kids' bathroom. This right here. Once again, the mirror. I love the mirror. And it's always a double mirror. There's like a little one here and then this big one. And then I think it's sizable enough, but our previous bathroom from our old apartment was way bigger than that. So yeah. And then heading over here, this door right here is like I want to say like a walk-in storage closet that I wanted to use for linens, but I decided to use it for my purse and my shoes and some wigs and other items that isn't set up in there yet. That is the smaller linen closet, and then that's the kids' room. So let's one at a time. This, let me turn the light on, guys, bear with me. So you see here, I have a box right here that I'm not done unpacking yet. Another, yeah, that needs to be unpacked. Anyways, see, this shelf was supposed to be a storage space. I just decided to use it as my own little personal walk-in closet, only because our master bedroom walk-in closet is not, it's not as big, and my husband stuff already literally took over the space. So this, let me scoot back so you see it. Yeah, and it's pretty sizable actually. This is very useful. And this is the smaller linen closet. I don't have anything in there to show you guys. This is my kids' room. We have a 18-month-old toddler. Her brother's bed. The windows are still bare. Like I said, we just moved in and I am basically still getting the necessity for the house. I think this weekend, because we're prepping for Thanksgiving, I believe this weekend we're gonna put up some curtains and other stuff that's needed. But if you see all of my windows literally open, I open it because I wanted lighting for the video. So yeah, and it has like this closet. This has a shelf up there and little sliding doors. For the closet, honestly, there's not much room if two people were to share the room, but I guess it depends how you pack your stuff strategically, you know. Let's head over to the master bedroom. That's it right there. And before we get there, I'm going to show you guys the high ceiling from the top view, like I was telling you about. Look at that, guys. Yep, I love, 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 love this high ceiling. Look, anytime you put the TV on, if the volume's on 10 or 12, it feels like you have serious speakers because of the high ceiling. So this is a view from the top. I don't know if you guys got a really good view from the bottom when I was trying to show it there, but that's what it looks like. And this is a 3-bedroom. We were currently in a 4-bedroom before this one, but I think this one has more storage space than bedroom space because the rooms are really not that big. All right, let's move over to the master bedroom. This, hopefully I turn on the right switch. Okay, this is our master bedroom. And before we get into the room, let me show you guys the closet. This is like the walk-in closet. And of course, we are trying our best to unload, but you don't want to like literally overweigh your racks and then they'll come crashing. But that's how much my husband has packed already. And literally there is no room left. Although it is a walk-in closet, but there's no room left. I'm going to turn around this way so you can see. All right, let's get into the room itself. This is the size of the room. It's really not that big, to be honest. Excuse my mattress just being naked. I did laundry today and we're also still waiting on our bed. So for now, that's what it is. So yeah. And again, did I open these blinds? Let me see if I can open one of these blinds for you to get good lighting in here. See? I love how the house has like so much windows, to be honest, because you know we do a lot of YouTube videos, so the lighting, the natural lighting is amazing. So let's head into the master bathroom. Okay, the master bathroom, really weird. It has 2 doors in there. And I was thinking the second door would like open into the other bedroom on the other side, which is the office, you know, like a Jack and Jill sort of suite. But no, it's just double doors. And I feel like it was really unnecessary. But hey, again, that's military housing. So let's get in here. And it's not as big, guys. It's really not that big. It's really, really, really not. And of course they have these mirrors in here again, guys. I'm gonna use it to put things in place. And there's the little mirror on that end. Like I told you, all the bathrooms have that. So, and the bathrooms, honestly, they're not that big, but just big enough, I guess you could say. Let me show you an angle from over here. And I'm gonna turn around. toilet. And then but they're good enough. Let me see if I can move back for you to see the double doors that I was talking about. This is the double doors I was talking about. Like, look, I can close this up for the shower and the toilet. And then I'm in this space. This is like a half bathroom all by itself without the toilet, you know? All right, guys. Okay. I think I'm gonna go show you guys outside the backyard. The houses are not like single family homes, you know? So the backyard, sometimes if you fence your backyard like some families do, you're gonna have some privacy. So I'm gonna show you let me show you the front. This is the front. Where is, alrighty. It's been so windy lately, so like, look, my front porch, everything seems to be so scattered. But this is what the community looks like on the outside. The houses are literally like connected in a sense, and we all share backyards. So I want to step outside and show you a view from the front. That, if I can scoot back, keep scooting back, that's what it looks like from the outside. Yeah, the sun is not gonna let you see better. So that garage door is our neighbor's, this is ours. Let's go inside. Well, not inside, let's go in the back. I want to show you guys the back. This is where we keep our trash cans, over here. And then in the back, I'm just going around the house so you guys can see the backyard. This is portion of the backyard, and like I said, all the houses have backyards connected, so the lighting, the sun, the natural light from the sun is not going to allow you to see better. But this is what our backyard looks like. If we fence like this right here, we'll have some privacy, but we'll still share backyard with our neighbors. I'm going to scoot back so you guys see this. This is my back patio, what it looks like. Let's go back inside. All right, guys, so that is it for today. And like I said, this is Joint Base Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. The homes all have different bedrooms. It depends on the size of family that you have. We're family of 4, so we had a 4-bedroom, but that is a whole nother story for a whole nother day, why we downsized to 3 bedrooms. But yeah, that's what inside looks like. All right, guys. Ciao.